cool orange mango juice. Today is Jamaican Independence Celebration. And emancipation. There's a lot of stand Jamaican food and everything out. We're just gonna walk around, see what's going on. Should be on both sides. Oh, this is a vaccine clinic here. It's cool though.
Walk one. We hold our flags with
A lot of Jamaican food, Jamaican everything. It's a whole Jamaican vibe over here. So you wanna try soda? Alright, let me show you. You want one of these? These are chubby. You want one? You wanna try this? Blue? Okay, I'll get you one. You wanted some Happy Fatty water, but they only take cash.
yes, they take cash. See that?
We find the coolest spot to enjoy our party. And some cool runnings, mango juice. Actually, it tastes nice. First time trying cool orange mango juice. It's a nice vibe though. But this time it's very hot. See what they have over here. Oh, you guys are the patty. You like the patty? Oh, this is the patty. This is, well, that's Jamaica. This is Canada. What do you expect? This one has curry chicken, oxtail, curry goat,
veggie
roti. They have roti here as well. Roti is nice. Roti is like
It's a festival 吗？你看它有 festival。
不是festival。
它现在放进去的。
哦，蓝小我去看。
你也问他看看。They say the things if they're very hard.
Oh, oil.
面包。
那个是 cocoa bread.
是你们 Jamaican 的 hamburger.
Yeah, so you put patty and cocoa bread together.
I think 你买 cocoa bread 可以。That's too dry. See, they're selling that.
Oh, festival. Yeah, they have festivals. 你要吗？ Yes, I know. I'll ask. Okay. Nice vibe, tuna play. And everybody happy.
You just had a stop. You had a drink. You had a drink earlier.
So much.